how to use your TWIC card at the airport. I'm going to tell you how to use your TWIC card at the airport. First, when booking your first flight, enter the Credential Identification Number or CIN from the back of your TWIC card into the Known Traveler Number or KTN field. This links your TWIC to TSA pre-check, granting you expedited screening. At the airport, present your boarding pass with the TSA pre-check indicator and your TWIC card as a valid form of ID at security. Remember, your name and date of birth on the reservation must match exactly what's on your TWIC card. If your boarding pass doesn't show the TSA pre-check indicator, you won't be able to use the pre-check lane, even if you have a TWIC card.